Setting and achieving goals is an essential aspect of personal development as it helps us to take action towards achieving our aspirations and reaching our full potential. One of the most important things when it comes to goal setting is to make sure that the goals are specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. SMART goals. This framework helps to make sure that the goals are clear, realistic, and achievable. Each letter in the acronym SMART represents a different aspect of goal setting. Specific. A specific goal has a clear and defined outcome. It answers the questions of what, why, and how. Measurable. A measurable goal has a quantifiable outcome that can be tracked and measured. This allows individuals to monitor their progress and measure their success. Achievable. An achievable goal is realistic and attainable given one's resources and abilities. It is important to set goals that are challenging but not impossible. Relevant. A relevant goal is aligned with one's personal values and aligns with their overall objectives. Time-bound. A time-bound goal has a specific deadline for completion. This creates a sense of urgency and helps to keep individuals focused and motivated. By following this framework, individuals can set goals that are specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound, which increases the chances of achieving them. Additionally, it helps to break down complex and big goals into smaller and actionable steps. Furthermore, the SMART framework helps individuals to identify the potential obstacles that might prevent them from achieving their goals and to plan ahead to overcome them. It also helps to track and measure the progress, to stay motivated and to adjust the plan if needed. In conclusion, the SMART goal framework is a valuable tool for personal development because it helps individuals to set clear, realistic, and achievable goals that align with their values and objectives. It helps to increase the chances of success and to make the goal-setting process more manageable and effective. Time management is an important aspect when it comes to goal setting because it allows individuals to effectively plan and prioritize their tasks, to make the most of their time, and to achieve their goals. It's about understanding how to use time effectively and efficiently to accomplish what is important to them. Effective time management involves setting clear priorities, creating a schedule and sticking to it, breaking down large tasks into smaller ones, and eliminating time wasters. When setting goals, individuals must also consider the amount of time required to achieve them and plan accordingly. One of the key elements of time management is setting deadlines for completing tasks. Deadlines create a sense of urgency and help to keep individuals focused and motivated. It's also important to be flexible and to adjust the schedule as needed. Another important aspect of time management is learning to say no to non-essential tasks and activities that distract from goal achievement. By focusing on what is most important and eliminating time wasters, individuals can make the most of their time and achieve their goals. Having an action plan is an important aspect when it comes to goal setting because it helps individuals to break down their goals into smaller, manageable steps, and to create a roadmap for achieving them. It's a powerful tool that helps to turn goals into reality. An action plan is a written document that outlines the specific steps that will be taken to achieve a goal. It should include a list of tasks that need to be completed, the resources required, deadlines for completion, and the person responsible for each task. When creating an action plan, it's important to be as specific and detailed as possible. The more specific and detailed the plan, the easier it will be to follow and implement. An action plan should also be flexible and include contingencies for unexpected events. An action plan helps to keep individuals on track and accountable for their goals. It also helps to identify any obstacles that may arise, and to develop strategies to overcome them. It's also important to regularly review and adjust the action plan as needed. This helps to ensure that the plan remains relevant and that progress is being made towards achieving the goal. In summary, having an action plan is an important aspect of goal setting. It helps individuals to break down their goals into smaller, manageable steps and to create a roadmap for achieving them. It's a powerful tool that helps to turn goals into reality. It keeps individuals on track and accountable for their goals and helps to identify and overcome obstacles.